Imagine this. You know English. You understand it when others speak. You even know the right words in your mind. But when it's your turn to speak, your mind suddenly goes blank. You pause, you hesitate, and the words just don't come out the way you want. If that sounds familiar, don't worry. The problem is not your English. The problem is the way you practice. In this video, I'll show you 5 simple steps that can help you speak English more fluently. Let's begin. Step 1. Stop translating in your mind. Most learners try to translate from their native language to English before speaking. This slows you down and breaks your flow. Instead, train your brain to think directly in English. Start small. Look around you and describe things in English in your mind. For example, this is my phone. I am sitting in my room. The weather is nice today. This simple habit helps your brain get used to thinking in English. Step 2. Speak every day, even if you are alone. Fluency is a speaking skill, not a reading skill. You can read books for years, but if you don't speak, your fluency won't improve. Talk to yourself. Describe your day. Explain what you were doing. For example, now I'm making tea. Today, I have a lot of work. I'm planning to watch a movie tonight. The more you speak, the more comfortable you become. Step 3. Learn phrases, not just words. Many people focus on memorizing vocabulary, but real conversations use phrases. Instead of learning the word agree, learn phrases like, I completely agree. That makes sense. You're absolutely right. Learning phrases helps you respond quickly in conversations. Step 4. Listen to natural English. Fluent speakers become fluent because they listen a lot. Watch interviews, podcasts, or YouTube videos in English. Pay attention to how people speak, not just what they say. Notice their tone, pauses, and expressions. Your brain naturally absorbs these patterns. Step 5. Don't be afraid of mistakes. This is the biggest reason people stay stuck. Fluent speakers are not perfect speakers. They just don't stop speaking because of mistakes. Every mistake you make is actually helping you improve. So, speak more, worry less. Because fluency doesn't come from being perfect. Fluency comes from consistent practice. And remember,